Welcome to Getting Started with MyHPSupport, Admin Functions. In the previous video, Getting Started with MyHPSupport, Portal Overview, you learned about the portal functions and features available for all users. In this video, we'll explore the additional functionalities available to users identified as admins. Admins have access to these additional tabs in their profile and settings: Site Addresses, Administration, and Bulk Upload. These functions enable admins to manage their account more efficiently and perform tasks that regular users cannot. Let's explore some of the key admin functions available. The Site Addresses tab can be used to view and edit site-specific contact information for customers who have equipment at multiple work sites. Select the site name from the drop-down menu to view or edit contact information. If you make any changes, be sure to select the Save button at the bottom of the page. You can use the Administration tab to add new users to an account. Select an account from the drop-down menu, then fill in the information and select Add User. At the bottom of this screen, you'll see a list of users. From here, you can select a user to activate, deactivate, or promote them to administrator. You can also export this list to an Excel spreadsheet. The Bulk Upload tab can be used to upload multiple cases and contacts at the same time. Start by selecting the appropriate template to download a copy. Each template has an Instructions tab and a Case Template tab. Use the Cased Template tab to enter the necessary details for each record. Mandatory fields are highlighted in blue. If you need to replace or exchange a poly product, be sure to indicate this in the problem description column. Note that the template can only process up to 250 records at a time. If you try to submit more than 250 records, the bulk upload will not be processed. In the Equipment Contact Site Company column, be sure to enter the company site name exactly as it appears in the Site Addresses tab under your Case Management Profile settings. Once you've finished entering the information, you'll need to save the template. It's crucial not to change the name of the file, as the bulk upload will not succeed if the name is modified. Upload the template by selecting the Choose File button. Then select Process to submit the bulk upload. The upload may take a few minutes to process. Once the process is complete, the result of the bulk upload will be displayed in either the Case or Contact tab, depending on which template you used. Congratulations! You've now learned about the essential admin functions available in the MyHPSupport portal. Now you can use the Site Addresses tab to manage contact information for multiple work sites efficiently. Use the Administration tab to add users, activate or deactivate accounts, and promote users to administrators. And use the Bulk Upload tab to upload multiple cases and contacts simultaneously, streamlining your workflow. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been informative and that you feel confident in utilizing these admin functions.